Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to track your package in the Packages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the green plus sign at the bottom of the page on the right. And here just provide your tracking number first. And then just give a title like the name of the product, but that is optional. And then just click on the done. And you will see that if your package reach your country or something like that, it will be, all the information will be here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.